Hi guys, back with a new video. These are the arms and we are getting close to finishing up. Only the head, wings and the effect left. And after this I'll see which I'm gonna make. I have a couple of them already printed out. Probably will be still can be from Z Studios, so if you interested about that one, stay tuned. All my statues is 1.5 scale. Now here as usual, just laying down the skin tone as fast as possible. It's okay. I'm gonna mask it up and I'm gonna correct any small defects. Again here now you can see my way of putting up the masking putty. Is just making sure that no green goes on the white, and then just come back and correct any small mistakes. Here just making sure to put down the green base. Usually I give 2 coats, depends on how well is the coverage. If I want the black to peek out a little bit, then sometimes I just give 1 coat, but usually for the base depends how translucent is the paint. Now here you can see what I was talking about with putting down the masking putty. Just going back with the brush, putting down the green, couple of layers. Now depends how many layers I put, depends on how thick is the paint, so if it's more thicker then it's just 2 layers. Now here is the time to put down the shadows, so I'm gonna go on the deepest parts of the sculpt. Just make it a little bit more darker, it's too bright at the moment. You will have to bring out all the details in the sculpt as well. Now here we're gonna go and do the highlights and just put down some lighter green. Here I'm going to use a lighter brown wash. Now this here is the dark purple. Unfortunately my camera for some reason will not focus. I don't know what happened. I stayed at the same distance I used before. For some reason didn't want to focus on the piece. It was keep focusing on the background. Here is the light purple for the joints. It's the same process as for every other joints done in the cell statue. Here I'm using 1 drop of the light green and 1 drop of the dark green to mix up the spots color, which I really like after it dries how it looks. Now if you want to do more of it, you can use 3 drops or 2 drops, it's up to you. Now I'm using this green for the edge highlights. Unfortunately, most of the edge highlights it's done off camera. Sorry for that. If you want to see how I'm doing it, you can go for my previous videos. Those are more focused in. Now here I'm using Dactan, and you don't have to take a shot every time I say Dactan. We are not in ground affected channel. I'm just gonna use it a little bit here to make the hand skin pop a little bit more on all the creases. Now I know this video was a little bit similar to the other videos, but again, if you learned something or if you enjoyed, give this a share, like, subscribe if you want to, more videos will come. And again, I said it before, the next statue will be probably Gambit.